You are interrupting Cito playing a beautiful piece of music with that horrible noise. What's that, water? Stop. I'm so sorry, everybody. How dare you? Come and stand there and behave yourself. Right, I'm really sorry about that. We're going to have that beautiful music once again without interruptions. Maestro, music, thank you. Oi, I told you once already, never get interrupted with the big instrument. I mean, listen to you.
Stop with me! Hey!
Oh, stop crying, you baby. Well done forever. Hey! I saw that. Danny, you can't be doing that sort of thing. No. Listen, you two. If you're going to behave like that, you leave me no other choice but to send you both to boxing school.
Boxing at school! Boxing!
Dear. Come and put your gloves on, Cito. Danny, there's some gloves for you as well. Wonderful man we can get. Oh dear. Cito, they go on my hands. Right, watch closely and pay attention because the first lesson of boxing school is